So breathing in and out, allow yourself to sit up straight. Breathing into the abdomen, expanding as you breathe in. Allow it to contrast as you breathe out. Breathing in, allowing yourself to relax. Bring awareness to your crown. Still feeling your breath expanding into your hips. Allow your crown to relax, your face to relax, your jaw muscles, your neck, shoulders fully dropping, the chest, the back, the abdomen, the lower back, your hips, inner thighs, outer thighs, the knees, the back of the knees, the calves, the shins, the ankles, the soles of your feet. Take a moment as you breathe in, squeezing your perineum. Breathing out to relax. Breathing in again, squeezing your perineum, visualizing that energy squeezing all the way up to the crown of your head. As you breathe out, allow it to relax. A few more times, breathing in, squeezing the perineum, visualizing it rise up to the crown. And relax. One more time, breathing in, squeezing, raising your eyes up to the crown of your head. And gently relaxing. We bring our awareness above our crown to our higher self. As we raise our awareness above our crown into our higher self, activating the golden ball of light above you, the higher mind, the mind of peace, the mind beyond time or space. Feel that energy spiraling like the great sun. As we go up higher from our higher self into our soul, the white sphere of light above your higher self, the goddess, God that you are. Within the soul, you see a white pyramid. In that sphere of light, you see a white pyramid. As your soul takes you even higher into your oversoul, into the Christ consciousness, the joyful Buddha consciousness. As you invoke the white brotherhood of the light, the ascended masters, the archangels, the planetary logos, we invoke the rainbow light body and the 12 rays of joyfulness. as the rainbow colors align with you in your crown, from the apex of your oversoul, that energy starts down to descend through your higher self, through your crown, and the rainbow colors of light start to spiral all around you as they spiral around your head, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your abdomen. The rainbow colors are spiraling down around your hips. And at the same time, you feel the rainbow colors spiraling down through the center of your mind, through your body, all around you and within you, spiraling down deeper into the core of the earth. Gently bring awareness to your heart. Within your heart, you feel a pink flame, the Divine Mother, the flame of love. And that flame starts to rise up through your brainstem, filling it up with a pink flame of happiness. As your whole mind starts to envelop in this beautiful pink color. And you rise up again to your higher self. And you see the consciousness within your higher self of joyfulness. And that energy of joyfulness comes down through the shaft of light. It's a crystalline fluorescent tube of light into the center of your mind, into your hypothalamus. With a gentle smile, you feel the rays of joyfulness coming down. It's coming down from your higher blueprint. The energy of joyfulness starts to activate the ganglionic nervous system within your eyes. And you feel your eyes spiraling as the chakra systems within your eyes activate. To see joyfulness in every aspect of this reality. As your soul continues to create these downloads of crystalline light, and the neurons in your mind start to create lightning shining within the mind and activating the chakras around the ears, on the right side of your ear and the left side, as these two energies spiral into the center of the mind. You hear the joyfulness through every man, woman, and child, through every animal, through every tree, through every leaf, the sound of joyfulness. As it recalibrates your eardrums, as you reach up with your awareness through your soul, your oversoul, to the Christ consciousness, the Buddhic consciousness, to find laughter, happiness, tranquility, peace. As you align those aspects with yourself here and now, creates a funnel of light that spirals down into your crown. Now gently bring awareness to your pituitary gland between your eyebrows, where your nose and eyebrows meet. As you bring awareness there, you affirm to yourself, I am consciousness of peace, joy, and love. I am consciousness of peace, joy, and love. Every word, feel how it starts to emanate and pulsate within the center of your mind. Consciousness of peace emanating through you. Consciousness of joy emanating through you. Consciousness of love emanating through you. Continue repeating these mantras and feeling each word as it emanates and expands through your energy fields, from your hypothalamus out through your body into your auric field. Consciousness of peace, joy, love. Transcend yourself into that space. Now bring awareness to your pineal in the back of your head. And affirm that again with every breath, feeling that energy coming in through the pineal, consciousness of peace, joy, and love.